Hello, welcome to Christmas Kitchen. I'm just going to give a nice little update on the Bosch Perfect washing machine. So it runs through the cycles fine, and the machine functions fine, except for a couple mechanical problems that we've got with the front door here, the lid. So when it's closed, it will seal okay, but open, you can see here that the hinges have kind of starting to come apart. The hinge attached to the machine is fine, but the bit that seals here, you can see it's kind of popping open, and here also with the handle, it's all becoming loose, popping open. I think it's because these rivets or screws, I'm not sure what they are, probably rivets. They're plastic. They seem to be breaking and not able to keep it tight and shut. I've looked at replacement doors. They're about £115, £120. What I think I might do is just kind of, I don't know, maybe get some adhesive and just stick it in and try and glue it shut. But yeah, it's quite frustrating, and it does worry me that it will leak. But when it's closed, the rubber seal is has a watertight seal, so it's not the end of the world, but it is. It's not the end of the world, but it is quite frustrating to see, kind of coming apart. I've had it for a couple of years, but still I wouldn't expect that